welcome to week 15 of the JG Better For Me challenge, and we're using the 52 Weeks Jamaican Proverbs Journal, available on Amazon and drcorneliuswaltersjones.com. Week 15 says, "Not take ugly make laugh." What that mean? So here is the proverb, and we're going to get into the activities. All right, so this journal is actually one of those journals that you're going to look at personal growth and inspiration, and we're examining ourselves. And it's asking 3 times you made fun of someone in a bad situation. How did that person, how did that affect the person or the people you made fun of? How did that make you feel? What did you learn? Did someone make fun of your situation? Because I'm sure you've had situations where someone made fun of you. And what are you doing differently after that? And if you have not been doing anything different and you're still making fun of people, do you have any intention at all to change? And this week's, we're challenging you to, practice some empathy. We need to practice empathy. And also, before you start practicing the empathy, we need you to start rating how empathetic you are to people. And we need to be truthful, guys. We have to be truthful. Because remember, this journal is yours, and it's yours to read and to keep and to hold. All right, so this is available, as I said, on Amazon or on my website at drcorneliuswaltersjones.com. We ship worldwide anywhere you are. If you know anyone in your family, on your friends that are Jamaican or of Jamaican heritage, and you think that this journal could be beneficial to them, just share this video with them, please. Thank you. Until next week.